Alright, let's be real for a second. It doesn't matter if you're tall, shredded, handsome, or have a jawline that could break mirrors. There are certain mistakes that destroy attraction faster than you can type, "What's up?" And here's the wild part. Most guys don't even realize they're making these mistakes. Today, we're going to fix that because no matter how good you look, if your energy is off, looking good alone won't save you. Pay attention because this is where most men fail without even knowing it. Ever text a girl something simple and then immediately start overthinking like, wait, did she get what I meant? Better add 87 more sentences to make it crystal clear. Relax, bro. This is one of the fastest ways to look insecure. Women don't just read your words, they feel the energy behind them. And when you over-explain every tiny detail, it screams fear of losing her. That's not attractive, that's pressure. Keep it clean, keep it simple, say it once and move on. For example, instead of writing, "Hey, sorry I didn't reply. My cousin came over, then my phone died, and then I had to help my mom with some stuff and blah blah blah," just say, "Hey, got caught up with something. What's up?" Same message, same intention, but way stronger energy. And let's talk about the classic trap. Texting her back in 0.2 seconds like your life depends on it. Canceling your plans for her, always saying yes to everything. Bro, even your own mom doesn't get that level of priority. Here's the hard truth. Women aren't attracted to men with unlimited free time. Unlimited free time usually signals no purpose, no drive, no direction. You need your own routine, your own goals, your own life. Focus on yourself, do your thing, and reply when it actually fits into your schedule. That's how you create value and magnetic energy she can't resist. Here's the deal. She texts, "What are you doing?" Don't reply instantly, like your life depends on it. Calm down. If you're busy, reply when you're actually done. Something simple like, "Just finished with something. What's up?" Normal, mature, confident. That energy alone sets you apart. Now, women love compliments, but not when you throw them around like candy at a parade. If every 10 minutes you're sending, "You're so cute, you're so pretty. Oh my God, I love your eyes. I can't believe you're talking to me." She's not going to think you're sweet. She'll think you're desperate. Over-complimenting makes it look like she's a goddess and you're just lucky she noticed you. Slow down. One meaningful, well-placed compliment will always beat 10 thirsty ones. For example, instead of the usual, "You're so pretty," try something like, "You have a fun vibe. I like that." Confidence hits differently. Women notice it. Next trap. Some guys feel like they have to flex every achievement as if women are keeping score. Chill, bro. Trying too hard to impress screams, "I need validation." And nothing kills attraction faster than that. Be real. Talk about what genuinely excites you, not what you think sounds cool. Example, instead of, "I'm really busy with my businesses and investments right now," say something like, "I'm trying to learn to cook without burning everything. It's going okay." See the difference? A real imperfect human, that's attractive. Vulnerability will always beat ego flex. And here's a huge mistake most guys make. Every time she's a little off or distant, they panic. "Are you mad at me? Did I do something wrong? Do you still like me?" Bro, she's just having a normal day. She's not your emotional babysitter. Women lose attraction fast when they feel like they have to manage your mood. Handle your emotions first. Be calm. Be centered. Then if there's something to discuss, talk to her. Otherwise, let her breathe. That's how attraction sticks. Here's a simple way to level up your energy. Instead of saying, "Why are you so dry today?" try something like, "Yinbai, you seem busy today. All good." That's mature, calm, masculine energy. It shows awareness without overreacting or pressuring her. Now be honest with yourself. Are you the type who's loud, goofy, and hilarious with your friends? But the second she enters the chat, you go quiet, shy, and awkward like some NPC in a game? Women notice that switch immediately. It doesn't feel natural, it feels fake, and nothing kills trust or attraction faster than fake energy. The key is simple. Stay the same guy you always are. Same tone, same personality, same vibe, just a little more respectful and controlled. You don't have to perform or put on a show. Let your actual self shine, because that's the version she'll fall for in the long run. Here's one that destroys attraction instantly. If you let her cancel plans last minute, disrespect you, take hours to reply, breadcrumb you, or ignore your time, and you still respond with, "It's okay, no worries, it's fine," guess what happens? She starts seeing you as a guy she can walk all over. This isn't because she's mean. It's biology and psychology. Women are only attracted to men they genuinely respect. So set calm, solid boundaries. For example, if she cancels at the last minute, don't over-apologize or make excuses. Just say, "All good, just let me know earlier next time." Short, simple, confident, respectful, yet firm. That's magnetic energy. All right, man. Now you know the key mistakes that turn women off instantly. But here's the thing. Fixing mistakes is just step one. If you want her to feel that pull, that obsession, that "I want him" kind of energy, you need to go deeper. You need to build the habits that make women genuinely addicted to your presence. Don't guess it. Watch it, learn it, apply it. That's how attraction becomes unstoppable. Now let me drop something most guys totally miss. Attraction isn't just about how you act in the moment. It's about the energy you carry long term. Women notice patterns, not just single moments. If you constantly stay calm, confident, and playful, she starts to expect that energy from you. That's when she begins to feel drawn, curious, even addicted to your vibe. Here's a quick mindset shift. Stop thinking about getting her to like you. Start thinking about being a man she wants to be around. Live your life fully. Chase your goals. Master your hobbies. Build your skills. The more you focus on your life, the less you chase her, and the more she chases you. That's the secret no one tells you. And remember, fun is magnetic. Don't be afraid to joke, tease lightly, or make her laugh. Humor isn't just cute. It's a shortcut to emotional connection. But here's the catch. Keep it natural. Don't overthink it. You don't need to be a comedian. You just need to enjoy yourself and let her enjoy your presence. Finally, don't underestimate the power of mystery. You don't have to share everything about your day or your thoughts immediately. Let her wonder a little. Let her curiosity grow. When you have a life, a routine, passions, and moments she doesn't fully see, that subtle tension builds attraction like nothing else. So here's the takeaway. Stop over-explaining. Stop flexing. Keep your personality consistent. Set boundaries. Live your life fully. Laugh, tease, and stay a little unpredictable. Master these and you're no longer just another guy in her inbox. You become the guy she can't stop thinking about.